Luiz Garcia, CEO of GX2, and I want to start this talk with an observation. The year is 2026, but I have been talking with people about how they are building software, and I have seen a big problem. Most companies are still developing software like in 2020. They are still focused on screens, clicks, and manual tasks. For those of us who have already moved to a new model, this is a concerning. The 2020 model is now obsolete. Today, I want to show you why this shift is happening and why the old model is no longer good enough. Before we can talk about the new way to build software, we must talk about these three important topics: the agentic web, the agentic AI, and the difference between generative AI and agentic AI. First, the agentic web. This is the next step for the internet. For a long time, the internet was for people to talk to computers. The agentic web is different. It is where autonomous AI agents talk to each other to get work done. This table shows the change. The first version of web, it's about read. The Web 2.0, it's about write, to share content, right? The Web 3.0, it's about on. And now we are in Web 4.0. It is about the act. The platform is modules. The interface is the agents. The 2020 model builds for the Web 2.0. We must be building for Web 4.0. And why is this the future? Because it frees us from boring and repetitive tasks. It's not just simple automation, it's a complex task automation. It gives us back our time and attention. For this to work, all the agents need a common language, a standard way to interact. And this is the MCP protocol. This allows the AI agents to interact with any site or services adopting the standard. This brings us to Agent AI. This is the core of the new development method. If you remember only one thing, remember this: Generative AI responds. Agent AI takes initiative. A 2020 style chatbot waits for you. An agent acts for you. This is a good question. This is how it works. You don't give an agent a command. You give it a goal. Let's say your goal is organize my meetings for the week. The agent then does 4 things all by itself. First, understand the goal. Second, plan. It's break the goals into small steps. Third, execute. It uses your tools, like your calendar or email, to do the steps. 4, adapt and self-correct. If it fails, it learns and try again a new way. This is a true autonomous process agent. This is what modern software should be. This new model is not just a small change. It is the next step in a long evolution of automation. In the 2010s, we had simple RPA. In the 2020s, generative AI gave us service agents. But now, agentic AI is here. This is not just automation. This is an autonomous process agent. This is a completely new category. This is the engine. This is what an agentic AI system looks like. It's not just a prompt box. It has goals, it has tools, it makes a plan, it takes action, and it adapts using feedback. Every part of this loop, planning, action, learning, is a place where we gain efficiency and value. So, it's very important to understand this difference. Generative AI responds. It's a helper. Well, with this new internet, Web 4.0, with this new element, the agent, and with this new user's need, we need to redefine software conception. We have to change our focus. We must stop focusing on the user interface, the screen. We must now focus on the system ability for autonomous action, right? This transformation happens along 3 main axes. First, from UI design to capability design. Second, new architecture. Autonomous versus reactive system. We have to think about it. And third, the human factor. Designed for a human in the loop. Let me explain what this means. First, design. We must build software as a tool for agents. Now, we don't have just users, human, access the software. We have agents access the software too. Then we have to think about it. The old paradigm, what we see companies stuck in, values the screen. Their goal is a good user interface for human. The new paradigm is different. The goal is to build capabilities, tools for agents. The value is in the APIs. The agent is the new user. It's a new user that you have to take care. Success is not if the app looks good. Success is if the agent completes the task. Second, we must change our architecture. The old model is reactive. It waits for a human to click a button. The new model is autonomous and proactive. We must build multi-agent systems. This is where a financial agent talks to a logistic agent to solve a problem without a human. To do this, we must build two things that the old models is not prepared. First, a strong memory component, so the agent never forgets its goal. Second, a feedback loop for self-correction, so the agent can learn from errors. And third, and this is one of the most important things, the human factor. This is not about replacing people, it's about building active digital collaborators. Then we must design for a human in the loop. This means the software must be smart. It must know when to pause and how to ask a human for help. We have to plan and build intervention points. In summary, we are building active digital collaborators. Well, this brings me back to my first observation. We cannot develop software like we did in 2020. Those of us who have already made this change are building active, intelligent, autonomous system. The old model is broken, the new model is agentic. So I will ask you the question. If the year is 2026, why some companies still develop software like in 2020? I am Luiz Garcia, and if you want to discuss or know more about it, please contact me. Thank you.